Let me ask you something real quick. How many products are sitting under your bathroom sink right now? Be honest. 5, 10, more? And how many of them actually work the way you hoped? You've watched the tutorials, you've done the deep conditioners, you've tried gel, then cream, then the gel cream combo. You've heard, add more moisture. So many times you want to scream because you are adding moisture and it's still dry. Sound familiar? That's not a hair problem. That's an information problem. And I'm going to help you fix it. I want you to close your eyes for a second and imagine this with me. It's Sunday morning. You just washed your hair and your curls, they just work. No frizz halo, no clumping, no redoing it 3 times. Just the fine, moisturized, gorgeous curls, exactly the way you always knew they could look. That's not a dream. That's what happens when you finally understand your hair. And that's exactly what I built the Curl Code to do for you. Here's what nobody tells you. Your hair has been trying to talk to you this whole time. The frizz, that's a message. The dryness, that's a message. The shrinkage, the breakage, the wash days that never go the way you planned. Your hair is communicating. You just haven't been given the decoder ring. The beauty industry makes more money when you stay confused. When you keep buying, when you keep guessing. The Curl Code gives you the decoder ring. One time, $27, yours forever. I spent literally years researching, testing, failing, adjusting, and finally figuring out exactly what curly hair needs to thrive. Not what one influencer does, not what works on one curl type, what works across the full spectrum, from waves to coils, 2A all the way to 4C. I put everything I know into one guide. No fluff, no filler, no recycled Pinterest advice you've already seen. I call it the Curl Code because once you have it, you can decode what your curls are trying to tell you every single time. Let me tell you what's actually in this guide because I don't do fluff. First, you're going to learn your actual curl type. Not just, I have curly hair. No, your specific porosity, density, texture, the stuff that changes everything. Then we get into moisture, real moisture. Not just drink water and spritz your hair. We're talking about the actual science of how your hair absorbs and holds hydration, and how to work with your hair structure, not against it. We cover wash day from start to finish, products, what to actually look for on the ingredient label, and how to stop wasting money on things that can't work for you. I have to speak directly to my type 4 women like myself. You have been left out of this conversation for too long. You've been told your hair is difficult, that it doesn't grow, that it can't be healthy without a relaxer. You've been given tips designed for 3B hair and told to figure out how to make it work for you. That ends here. You're not an afterthought. This guide was built with you in mind. I want to paint you a picture of 6 weeks from now. Your wash days are shorter. Because you're not starting over and fixing your mistakes, your bathroom shelf has fewer products, but every single one of them is working. You're not Googling, why is my hair still dry at midnight anymore? You actually understand what your hair needs, and you can give it that. And here's the part I love most. You stop second-guessing yourself. You stop asking 10 people for 10 conflicting opinions because you have the code. You trust yourself. That's what this guide does. It doesn't just fix your wash days, it gives you confidence in your own hair for good. Real quick, let's do the math together. The average woman with curly hair spends between $150 and $400 a year on products that don't work. Not because the products are bad, but because without the right knowledge, you can't even use the right products correctly. The Curl code is $27, one time, no subscription, no upsell. You download it today and you own it forever. If it saves you from buying even 3 wrong products this year, it's already paid for itself 5 times over. $27, one decision, a lifetime of better hair days. Here's what I want you to do right now. Click the button below, get the Curl code, read it tonight, this weekend, whenever you have a quiet moment. And then the next time you stand in front of your mirror on wash day, you're going to feel different. Not because your hair changed overnight, but because you changed. You know what your hair needs, and you're going to give it exactly that. Your curls have been waiting their whole life for you to understand them. It's time. The link is right below. It's yours forever, $27, and it's the best hair decision you're going to make this year. I'll see you inside.